We are at the Olympus Point UA Regal Theater here in Roseville, California, and we are putting on a red carpet event. Partnering with organizations like Jessup University is so important for nonprofits like TruKidz. They're really involved with the vision. They're excited, probably just as excited as me with putting on this event. And what No Address is doing with bringing homelessness to the forefront is just amazing. It has shown the people that are just falling on hard times, they're human too, and they need to be cared for and loved. This movie will really inspire others to give back to the community.
Daisha's a Jessup student. She launched TruKidz because she had a vision to impact the world. So we love the mission of TruKidz to be able to equip other students to serve homeless students. When people are unhoused, when they don't have access to housing, when they don't have things that we take for granted, clothing, food, shelter, medical supplies, Daisha and TruKidz are literally living out our vision for Jessup University.
I started TruKidz back when I was just 13 years old, giving and creating hygiene kits for unhoused students and students in need. Students, young students at that, should never have to worry about needing basic hygiene essentials. Within the past year, TruKidz has reached 18,000 students. And from those 18,000 students, we have impacted 4,000 students.
Some people think that university education is automatically separated from real life. In other words, it's that bubble you live in for a few years and then you get into the real world. And we actually feel exactly opposite. We think that while you are a person of faith, if you have a relationship with Christ or you're pursuing faith, that you should be engaged in everyday experiences. And I want to say that TruKidz has been a tremendous encouragement. We have pack days at Jessup coming up in March. I think our goal for that one is to pack 3,000 kits. We packed 1,000 last time. Our goal is to pack 3,000 kits. So I just think that's an honor and a testimony. So I just want to encourage everybody in the room. A couple phrases I like to say. Your address is not an accident. It's an assignment. And it's interesting while we see the film that says no address, that the reality is every single person we'll see in the film, whether they are housed or unhoused, has an assignment in life. But sadly, sometimes that goes missing. So one of the things I want to celebrate in this film is that it brings to life through the powerful medium of a film, the reality that people of faith can be involved in solving real world problems.
The movie was amazing, it was beautiful, it was really inspiring, and it made me really want to make a difference in the world.
We take a lot of things for granted, and there's a lot of people out there that don't have what we have, and I think that we just need to really appreciate what we have and give what we do have and what we can give.
I really like how they integrated like Christianity in the movie too, how they talked about God and stuff, and yeah, great movie overall.
Living in Sacramento, I've seen a lot of homelessness firsthand, gone out into the community with a lot of my friends, with my church, and just done what we can. And so it's just cool to spread awareness about that.
People can get involved in supporting this cause of the event is by going to www.trukidz.org. TruKidz takes in-kind donations as well as other donations as well, and it will help towards creating more hygiene kits for more students in more schools.